Are you ready to start investing but don't know where to begin? With so many options available, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, investing doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you have a small budget or want to build long-term wealth, 2025 is the perfect time to start. In this video, we'll break down the best ways for beginners to start investing, step by step. Let's dive in. 1. Start with an emergency fund. Before you start investing, make sure you have a solid financial foundation. An emergency fund is crucial to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Ideally, you should save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This ensures that if an emergency happens, you won't have to pull money from your investments. Once your emergency fund is in place, you're ready to invest. 2. Invest in the stock market. The stock market remains one of the best ways to build long-term wealth. But as a beginner, where should you start? Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are excellent options because they spread your investment across multiple companies, reducing risk. Popular choices include S&P 500 index funds, total market ETFs, and dividend ETFs, which allow you to earn passive income. If you're interested in individual stocks, focus on strong companies with long-term growth potential. However, diversification is key. Never put all your money into just one stock. The best way to approach stock investing is by being consistent and patient. 3. Real estate investing, even with little money. Many people think real estate investing requires a lot of money, but that's not always true. There are several ways beginners can invest in real estate without buying property. One option is investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts, which allow you to gain exposure to real estate while earning passive income through dividends. Another great option is house hacking, buying a property, living in one part, and renting out the rest to cover your mortgage. You can also explore crowd-funded real estate platforms like Fundrise, which let you invest in real estate with as little as $10. Real estate is a powerful way to build wealth and generate passive income over time. 4. Investing in bonds for stability. While stocks offer high growth potential, they also come with risk. That's why bonds are a great addition to your portfolio. They provide stability and steady returns. Government bonds, such as U.S. Treasury bonds, are considered one of the safest investments. Corporate bonds, issued by companies, offer higher returns, while municipal bonds, issued by local governments, often provide tax benefits. Bonds won't make you rich, but they are a reliable way to balance your portfolio and reduce risk. 5. Crypto and blockchain investments. Cryptocurrency continues to be a hot topic in 2025. While it's a high-risk investment, it also offers huge potential rewards if approached correctly. The safest way to invest in crypto is to stick to established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Instead of trying to time the market, use a strategy called dollar cost averaging, where you invest a small amount consistently over time. Also, make sure to store your crypto safely using hardware wallets or trusted exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. If crypto feels too risky, you can also invest in blockchain technology companies that support the crypto ecosystem. Remember, only invest money in crypto that you can afford to lose. 6. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Learning new skills and starting a side business can provide far greater returns than traditional investments. Developing high-income skills like coding, graphic design, or digital marketing can open new job opportunities and increase your earning potential. Starting a side business, whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation, can generate passive income. Additionally, taking online courses and expanding your knowledge in a specific field can help you build long-term success. Investing in yourself can lead to financial freedom and greater career opportunities in the future. 7. Automate your investments. Many people fail at investing because they don't stay consistent. The easiest way to stay on track is to automate your investments so you never miss a contribution. Setting up automatic transfers to your brokerage account, retirement fund, or investment portfolio ensures that you are always investing, even when life gets busy. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront can also manage your investments for you based on your financial goals. Reinvesting dividends is another great way to maximize the power of compound interest. By automating your investments, you remove emotions from the process and make sure you're always building wealth over time. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple steps, building an emergency fund, investing in stocks and real estate, exploring bonds and crypto, and investing in yourself, you can start growing your wealth in 2025. The key is to start now. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Which investment strategy are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investing tips. See you in the next video.